Hi, my name is Danielle and this is Triple Sun Spirits Newtown. Today we're going to be making 2 cocktails for the TESU virtual event signature cocktails. The first one we're going to be doing is the TESU Teeny, and then we'll be doing the Edison Spiked Cider. These are the ingredients you're going to need to make the TESU Teeny: lime juice, triple sec, vodka, cranberry juice, fresh limes for garnish. You're going to need something to measure and something to make the cocktail in, whether it's a pint glass or you have a shaker at home. First step is to put ice in your shaker. Then you're going to start by adding your ingredients. 1.5 ounces of vodka, maybe a little more. 1 ounce of triple sec. 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. And a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Then you're gonna shake it up. Strainer or something at home that's similar. And garnish with a lime wheel. And now you have the TESU Teeny. So next we're gonna be making the Edison Spiked Cider. Cinnamon simple syrup, dark rum, apple cider, and then you're gonna garnish with cinnamon sticks and fresh apples. So the first thing you're going to do is put ice in the glass. Then you're going to add 1.5 ounces of dark rum, 1 ounce cinnamon simple syrup, and top it off with fresh apple cider. Then you're going to stir it up. Garnish with apple slices, cinnamon stick. Cheers!